Fascism emerged in the early 1900s with Benito Mussolini's regime in Italy. Fueled by extreme authoritarianism, nationalism, and anti-liberal democratic policies, a fascist state is run by one single leader. Often using propaganda, state-run media will create an illusion of unity and influence public opinion, such as Hitler's fascist Nazi regime did in the 1930s. Nazi Germany aggressively pursued expansionist policies that included racial purification, leading to the Holocaust. World War II ended with the defeat and condemnation of fascist powers, followed by the Nuremberg Trials in an attempt to hold individuals of the fascist regimes accountable for their crimes against humanity. Fascism's oppressive history has prompted global democratic powers to remain vigilant against any rise of similar ideologies.